MuZimba, and today we're going to be playing Minecraft. So let's get right into it. Let's just name it Adventures. Hey, what's up? Alright, let's start it.
Okay.
I don't know how to make you a mod.
What's a mod? What's a mod?
What time is it? We'll see, I might. What just happened?
Hey, where am I?
Press options.
Oh, options? I don't... What?
Man, this looks so weird.
Wait, wait.
Yes, I will, but not to play. How do I open this? Stop! What are you doing?
Ha! Into talking inventory.
Oh, I see. Can you stop?
To get another trophy.
Can you stop? Can you stop?
Wait,
Stop.
wait, why aren't I a red thing like you? Okay.
Oh no, don't hit the wolf. Don't hit the wolf. Do not hit it.
Why?
Unless you want to die. Don't hit it.
Oh.
Don't hit it.
What do you mean?
Don't hit it. Don't hit it. Don't hit it. Don't hit it. Don't hit it, man. You're gonna die. You're gonna die. Now you're dead.
Oh no.
I told you. I told you. Now you're dead.
No. I can't die. No.
I told you.
Help me. Where are you? Help me. Where are you? Where are you?
Oh, now you're even more dead.
I know.
What are you doing?
And I died.
You just died.
I gotta run. Where
I
are
died
you?
because of you.
Where are you? Adi, where are you? Oh, there you are. Okay. Are there any other animals that if I hit, then I'll die? Then I'll get attacked?
Like all the other ones, they're just gonna try and kill you. Not the animals, but like...
Chicken. Peck.
What are you doing? Why did you do that?
To get meat.
Don't eat it. You have to cook it first.
What happens if I eat it, though?
It won't give you as much food as if you eat,
Getting wood.
Why are you beating wood with a chicken?
I don't know. How do I get my axe back? How do I get my axe back?
What axe? This is my axe.
No, like not.
You don't have an
chicken.
axe.
No, I did.
No,
but
you
now
never had an axe.
Now I have meat. The other thing that I used to attack animals, that I used to attack the wolf.
You used your hand.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, how do I get an axe though? No. Piggy. How do I throw this actually? Oh. This is so fun.
My controller is just freaking out.
What? Why am I going this slow? Why am I going this slow?
Yo, what is my controller doing?
I'm gonna look for another animal. I'm gonna look for a spider to kill.
Why, David? Stop. You're just trying to kill yourself.
I know. Okay, I'm gonna investigate this.
Can we please stick together? Just stop what you're doing, man.
Wait.
I'm over here trying to...
What am I getting attacked by?
Because you're suffocating.
Oh yeah.
You need air. Unless you're Aquaman.
Bench machine.
Okay. This is so hard to play because the screen is so small and it looks so weird.
What are those? What are those? What happens if I hit them?
That is fish. You're suffocating.
I know.
You need air to breathe.
I know. Wait, what animal is that? Probably a wolf. Like a wolf.
Alright.
No way, I found a rabbit.
Hey Vibes, are you enjoying this live stream? Oh wait, I'm supposed to use this. Oh, I can just make a sword. I'm gonna make 2 swords for me and David.
Oh yay! I wanna get my sword.
Yo, 3 people are in this live stream now. Alright, and yeah, I think that's
Where's
it.
my sword? Where are you?
Where are you?
Let
me see the map.
I'm pretty sure I came here from there.
Okay, so if I follow the map, you should be straight ahead. Oh, I should probably take my
What's that?
I
No
don't
way. Wait, is that a chicken?
I'm pretty sure I can put this map in my second hand, right? There we go.
It's another
Now I
wolf.
always have the map.
Wait.
Don't hit it. We need bones.
No.
If you get bones, then you can make the wolf your pet. What? No, wait.
No,
I think that was an Enderman.
Nice. Wait,
Not
let me
nice.
see if the wolf will follow me in the water.
No, stop.
What is that?
That's a squid. If you
Can
kill it, you get ink.
Huh?
I don't think so. I don't think it can. I don't think it will kill you.
Wait, is the wolf following me? Let's go. It's not. They're not following me. The wolves are not following me. Let's go. I attacked it, but it didn't follow me. So let's go. Probably cause like.
How do I go up?
Adi, look. If I hit it, see?
What did I just see on my screen? Bro, stop abusing the wolves. Don't use swords, axes are better. For damage, I'm trying to kill this fish. Right here.
You're in the water.
Okay, I trust you, man. Alright.
Haha. Hey,
Oh, you
wolf.
have to wait a while. Yeah,
Wait,
I can
what?
see that.
Adi, what's that? What's that? What's that? Oh, no, no, no.
I told you, that's an Enderman.
Oh, I thought
Huh?
the Enderman was a skeleton.
You just swipe. Where did the fish meat go?
I found fish right here.
Where did you find the Enderman?
Where I am. What is that?
Yo, it's a drowned zombie.
I better
Why
get
are
out
they here
of
in the daytime?
I better get out of here. What is this?
Why are they here in the daytime? That's not normal. Yo, what was that?
Oh, what's that? What's that? Is it an Enderman?
What was that?
Yeah, this place.
I don't understand this whole update thing.
Well, I think the update is part of the...
I can't kill the baby sheep because then I won't get wool. Because I need wool. Let's see what we got here. I can barely see anything. Because the screen is so small.
You have an apple too. Wait, where are you? I need my swords.
Yeah, I have an apple.
I need my swords.
Jump when you attack. Oh yeah, for critical damage. Yeah, I forgot about that.
Where are you?
I need a mine. Alright, David. We're gonna build our house here. Alright?
Okay, start building it. Maybe I'll see you. Oh, there
Look
you
at my
are.
skin.
There you are. I'm gonna sneak up.
I have a diamond one and an emerald one. I think I'm gonna wear the emerald one next time. Okay. So I have some wood. Here is your sword. Yo, what's that? What did you press? Dude, what did you press?
I just pressed this.
Oh, those are emotes, alright. Alright, here's your sword. And then, yeah. This is my sword. Take half. This is, we're gonna build a house. Let me see if I can remember how to build a house.
Wait, Adi, how do I get on my sword?
Because it's gonna get dark soon, so we need to build a house.
Adi, how do I get my sword? My sword, what do I press to like go and get my sword and stuff?
Okay. First of all, I'm gonna go mining, alright, David? And then I'm leaving you in charge of finding food.
Oh.
Okay?
Yeah, it's getting dark. You probably shouldn't go.
Because it's getting nighttime. Actually, you know what? We're just gonna sleep. Oh yeah, we don't have wool, so we can't make a bed.
Then we'll have to protect ourselves.
Yeah, so we're just gonna trap ourselves inside this house.
Yeah, then we'll untrap
we need to cut down more
ourselves
trees.
Quickly, people.
Yeah.
Some people are coming. Some things are coming. Don't leave. Don't leave. Wait, then how do you get wool from a sheep if you can't?
You just kill it.
Yeah, then kill it.
But you can no, that's a baby sheep, so it won't give us any.
Then how do we get wool from a baby sheep?
You don't get wool from a baby sheep.
Oh, that makes sense. Cause it's like.
Come on, it's almost nighttime.
Yeah, I better come. How do I like run fast?
I need to finish building the house.
Let me spot. Oh, I see a spider.
Okay,
Spiders are coming.
Here.
Spiders are
stay
coming.
in here.
I see spiders.
Move, David.
I see spiders.
Okay.
Okay, block like the top.
Oh, I think I saw a skeleton.
I saw a spider. I saw 2 spiders, in fact, actually. Yay.
Ooh, I see skeletons. Alright. Gonna have to crouch and
How do I crouch?
you just have to survive the night. Unless you wanna go out there and try to kill him.
That's what I'm thinking. Well, no, actually. I don't even know where
There's a chicken out there. I saw a skeleton somewhere over there. Huh? Okay.
Wait, is that a adult sheep? Oh, I see a spider. I think it's coming for the sheep.
Okay,
or
stop.
maybe it's
Just
coming-
stop jumping because it might come towards us. Hey.
Eh?
Oh, there's a creeper. Yo, there's a creeper up there. Wait, where was it?
It's right there.
Yo, there's a creeper up there.
Bro, why? What did you do?
I hear a skeleton. I think he might be like right outside.
Oh, I see
I
a
see a
zombie. I
zombie.
saw a zombie also.
Yo, there's a skeleton right outside. Like literally right here.
Where?
So if I literally just go like that. It's like right here. Oh shoot, there's a creeper.
Where? Where are you?
If it explodes, we're finished. Okay, let's just stay right here. Don't even move. Why am I moving? My controller is doing something weird. I need to fix it.
Whoever you are watching, comment if you can hear me.
I don't think they can.
I'm inside your body.
I need to get my controller fixed because this is getting annoying.
Look. I'm inside.
Do you see what my controller is doing? It's literally just doing some stuff.
Wait, where's
Like
the
the L
skeleton?
stick is just moving by itself. See,
I
I'm
see
not
a
even
spider.
touching it. See, I'm not even touching it. Hey, Sean, do you know what the problem is?
Wait, how do you know it's Sean?
I think it's
Oh,
still
wait.
Sean. It should be Sean.
Wait,
It's almost daytime. It's daytime soon.
yeah, actually. Wait, Adi, what? Adi, is this where the skeleton is? Or what? Oh. Why are you stealing stuff? Oh. Yeah. Are there
Oh shoot, what's
anything
that
that
sound?
can...
Stop jumping. Where did I even find that? Stick drift. Is there any way to fix it? Cause look, it's doing it right now. What is it caused by? Cause I think it might be from Brawlhalla, either Brawlhalla or Victor just keep on messing with my controller.
As soon as...
Turn up your dead zone. Do I do that on the settings?
Look at me. Look at me. Adi, look at me.
Where do I change that?
I'm inside your body. Adi, I'm inside your body. Hey, why did you do that? Why did you do that? Stop. Stop.
Oh yeah, crit works. If I hit you again like that, you're dead.
No, don't you dare. Don't you dare. What if I spawned outside?
Yeah, that's the whole point.
Find it.
Whoosh. I hear zombies right outside.
What do you want to eat, baby? Let's eat rice. Do you love rice?
I can literally hear it moving.
Wait, stop moving. Stay still.
Oh yes, I forgot. I was supposed to put torches around the base. I hear it.
No, it's a spider. It's a spider.
No, it's a zombie.
Well, at first I thought it was like something.
Okay, so this is what I need to do. To get this, then I need
How
to
do I
put
get
torches.
more heals? How do I heal? Oh, there. Wait, won't we be just attracting things to us?
No, they won't spawn around here if I put those down. They won't want to spawn.
I don't see any. Oh, there's a
See, there's
spider
one right
hiding
there.
in the bush. Oh. Oh.
Should I try and kill it? No, David, take the remote from Victor. Just stand still, take the remote from Victor.
Okay, I saw a creeper. Then there's a spider over
Oh, there's
there.
a... Wait, move, get down. I take the remote from Victor. Get down,
okay.
get down. Let me kill this bug. Where is he? Killed him.
He dropped it and he
Let's go, I killed him.
Let's go.
Killed him. Come on, we only have to stay alive for a little bit longer, I'm sure. Don't get on top, because you're gonna fall. I told you, get down, it's gonna teleport in here. Look down, don't look up, just look down. Oh shoot. See what you've caused. Don't look up. Don't look up. Don't look up. If you don't look at its eyes, it won't attack you. Where is it? See, this is all your fault. I told you not to get on top. I told you.
There are two. What are you doing?
Now we have an Enderman outside our base. Oh, it's almost daytime. Oh, yes. It's almost daytime. Soon the zombies are gonna start catching on fire.
Hey, give me some. I don't have any health.
You have a chicken. Eat the chicken.
Oh yeah, but I have to cook it first.
Look, you go like this, and then you hold L2.
But you said I have to cook it.
See? Now they're dying. I hope the Enderman isn't nearby. See? It's catching on fire. Wait, say what? He has a shovel? Hold on.
Wait, what if the Enderman is still there?
He had a whole shovel. Look, there's a spider. Watch, I'm about to grief it.
It's a bad idea.
Now we get string, and we can make bows. We can make a bow and arrow.
Oh, I
with
did
string.
look. It's an adult sheep. It's an
Let's go.
adult sheep.
Wait, where is it?
It's where I'm facing.
Stop crouching.
How do I
Oh,
stop
and a
crouching?
cow. Let's go.
How
Now
do
we
I
can
stop
make leather
crouching?
armor.
How do I stop crouching?
Press the button you press to crouch.
How do I crouch exactly? Oh, there.
Whoa, what is that?
Do I kill the cow?
I'm killing it.
No, there's one right here.
Oh, get the leather.
Leather.
Yeah. Oops.
Leather. What leather?
Okay, it's fine. You already got it. Yo, what is that?
Should I go in
Hey,
here?
Sean, do you know what that is?
Should I go in here? Oh,
Yeah, be careful when you're in the water because there's something called a drowned, which is basically like a drowned person, and then they basically turn into a zombie. So you gotta be careful of that. Let's go. We got sheep. Yo, what was that?
what's that?
This
What's
is-
that up there? There's something.
Oh
up-
no!
Get down.
I'm
It has
pretty
a
sure
gun.
those can kill me.
Yeah.
I don't think those are peaceful. Are they peaceful?
No, they. Of course they are.
Oh, they're not peaceful. They're not peaceful. Wait, say what? I'm lagging. By and- okay, where did I die? Oh shoot, I'm lost.
Don't worry, you can just come
Where did
to
we
me.
build the base?
Oh, right here.
Yes, but I don't know where you are.
Wait, where did you spawn? Where did you spawn?
I spawned where we spawned before. See, the good thing about sleeping. What's that sound?
How do I get inside? I need to get inside. I need to get inside. I need to get inside. I need to
I'm
get
lost.
inside.
I need you to go where I died. Go where I died. And then get the map. First kill that guy over there and then get the map. That's the only way for you to find me is with the map. Be like Dora the Explorer.
Where
It's
did
a
you
zombie
go
that
here?
stayed underwater.
Is it underwater?
Where did I die?
Do I go
Which
underwater?
direction? No, David, go on the mountain where I died.
I don't.
Where
oh,
the
that
brown
mountain?
thing. Yes.
Oh.
No, wait. No, on the right.
Here.
No, on the right.
Here.
That is that right or left? Go. Oh yes, there. Then you can find the map, and you can find where I am. Cause right now I don't even know. I
This
might
one?
have to even like. No, right where like the tower is. There.
Oh, there.
Yes. Kill those pigs and eat the meat. Cause right now you're low. Quickly, you need to go get my stuff before it disappears.
Oh, sorry.
Eat. Let's keep on finding more until
Wait,
yeah.
do I eat?
Yeah,
this?
just no, you can't eat that. Just eat the pork. Yeah, eat the beef. Now you need to find something else to eat.
Oh no,
Man,
not a wolf.
I don't know. Just don't hit it and you'll be fine. Now I don't even know. Okay, let's see. Maybe if I do this.
Should have kept
Maybe
it.
if I like get on. Okay, let me kill this chicken real quick. David, you need to get up to that tower before my stuff disappears.
Okay, how do I get up? How do you get up?
Parkour.
Oh, there.
Hey Sean, do you know what do you know what causes stick drift? Victor, stop it!
That guy literally is over me and he has a legit bow.
I don't know. David, put the thing. Alright, you know what, David, just give me. I'll get up there. Huh?
I want to switch the chairs. I'm having a kind of
Rumbi, can you click for Victor on the thing? David, go put for Victor.
Okay, Victor, come. Oh, here you go, Crumble. Oh, yeah. Yeah, Victor.
Yeah, I died here. What? Oh,
Come on, seriously?
cause you were low on health. Wait, hold on. I'm trying to find which direction. Do you remember? I think you. Oh, okay. There. So if I just die, then I should respawn. So if I go deep enough in here, surely I'll find something that'll kill me. Okay, I guess not.
That's not the cave.
Wait, hold on. Turn in the oh, look.
What? Where'd it go?
Where'd it go?
Did it get away from me? Wow.
You see? Now I'm dead. I'm dead. Alright, so which direction? I think it was... Which direction was it? Oh, okay. Where are you? Oh, you're over there. Okay, I see you. What's this? It's a sheep and a chicken. Okay.
Don't get distracted. How many times do I have to do that?
Okay, oh, that's a baby sheep, so I can't kill it. So, Sean, are you really enjoying this?
Wait! Hey, my sword! My sword!
Yeah, everything disappears when you die.
Where did you kill me?
No, that thing killed you. Remember?
Oh, yeah.
Sean, what are those things? I haven't played Minecraft in a while, so I don't know anything about the new update. I remember knowing that there were crossbows, but I never thought about
Oh,
where
look, it's a wolf.
the crossbows actually come from.
Wait, why?
No, stop straying. Stop going away. Yeah, we're gonna mine here. So once I get my stuff back, we're gonna start mining over there. Mining away. Dun 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 dun. I'm not a noob. It's just like I haven't played Minecraft since like I was 7 or something. No, even younger, like 5. Come on, all my stuff still be there, please. Come on, gotta dodge. All the other stuff disappeared, cause all the other stuff disappeared. Come on. All that's left is this. Can you even eat these? No, you can't even eat these. Yo, what are they doing? Are there more of those in there? I really don't want to be shot by like a million arrows. Yo, Sean, what is this place? All I can hear is a huh. Oh, cool, chest. Yo! 2 iron bars. Potatoes.
Oh, it's a cow. Back here, cow.
Oh, and a crossbow. Pillager
I call
outpost.
cross.
Oh, that's pretty nice. Yo, bottle of experience. Also, bottle of enchanting. Gotta keep my sword out. Oh yeah, we could like pillage this whole place. Jump. No, 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 no. Oh man. I missed the water. That was very dumb. I think I hear a spider.
Wait, Adi, how do I get animals to be my friends?
Huh?
How do I get animals to be my friends again? Oh look.
You need to feed them. Oh, now that's why my eyes are hurting. David, can you please switch off the light? Oh shoot, there's a drowned here. You want a scrap, bro? That's scrap. Isn't there something you can do with rotten? Oh, there's another one.
I think look, I keep on getting sheep.
Yo, how do I? Oh.
Oh no,
Oh my gosh, again, it's already night again and we didn't even accomplish anything. And I can see more of those things over there. Come on, David, come back. Where are you?
I don't know, I just saw.
Oh well, you're dead. You're dead now. Yeah, sorry to, wait, what? What? Why do those hurt you?
What about my wool? The wool that I got. What do I do? Oh no, oh no.
There's literally a gold skeleton over there.
No, 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 no.
Yeah, so you're dead. Have a nice life. I'm sorry, but you're dead. That's all I can say.
Oh.
You're dead. There's nothing I can do. You're dead. You're dead. You're clapped. You're clapped. You're clapped.
What's that?
Huh?
Oh. I hope nothing else comes. Oh no. I'm so sad. This is the worst idea I have ever had. I'm so dead. No, no. I can't even see anything.
I told you to stay together. Now you're over here hitting the air with a piece of rotten flesh.
Oh wait. Look at that. I'm so dead. I'm so dead. I am dead.
You know what? Why not? Let's do this. Allahu Akbar!
Bro, if you're doing this, just at least keep your things out. Just leave your things at base. Otherwise you'll die. Oh no. Something's coming. Is something coming? Let me put my things to figure out.
Oh, it actually hit me.
And
Oh,
it did, and
I'm
it
out.
did.
Peace. Skedaddle.
I really wish I had a lantern or a.
Why do creepers have 4 legs?
No, they have 3. I think they have 3. They have 3 there. Part of me.
You know what? Just cause this is David's first time playing Minecraft, I'm gonna put it on peaceful.
No, don't. Remove peaceful.
Do you even know what peaceful is?
Yes,
What?
things will attack you.
No.
What doesn't?
Wait, did you say things won't attack you or things will attack you?
Things won't attack
Yeah, things won't attack you.
you. No, remove that.
No, I'm
That's
putting
out.
peaceful.
No. Fine. When I get back to base, then put it back. Okay.
No. Not until we have a good house. And actually accomplish something.
Okay, now where is everything? Come on. Wanna fight? Yeah. That's right. Gone. Yeah, there's no zombies. There's no zombies.
There's a sheep.
Yeah, there's nothing gonna attack.
I'm so good at Minecraft, bro. I be critting all these. Watch this, watch this. 1. Oh. 1. 2.
Wait, I need a lantern to see where you are at.
I can make shears now. Why would I need a stick?
Where are you?
I think I need planks, right?
How
do I make-
kill myself? So
Uh,
I
I guess. Victor, stop, man. Stop.
No, but I'll lose everything so good that I have.
Can you please stop, Victor?
What is? Oh,
It's a horse, David. It's
gonna-
just a horse.
Oh,
Oh yeah, I need a crafting table. I think I just made that, so.
come on, there's not even a wolf. I can't even find a wolf.
I don't think there will be a wolf because it's on peaceful now.
What? Then how can I kill myself? Oh yeah, I can drown. I can drown. Come on, drown.
Kids, don't try this at home.
Drown.
Why is it not letting me?
Drown.
Why is it not letting me make a?
Drown. What? How am I getting help? Oh, it's not deep enough.
Because you're full.
I mean, why am I getting help even though I was drowning using help? Wait, I don't think that's deep enough. I need to look. I need to look.
Oh my gosh, I hate the stick drift. Oh, it looks like Sean left.
Come on. Just make like a whole little.
Why should I? Victor! Rumbi, can you please give Victor your phone or something? He closed it, I think.
You cannot take red.
Bro,
I don't even know.
Can you at least just put it on extreme, then change it so I'll get killed?
Ooh, iron sword. Should I? Nah, when I get more iron, I will. Not right now, though.
Bruh, this is bad. I can't kill myself. How am I gonna?
Just run, run. If you hold this and run, then you run out of food, and then you could kill yourself and not regain hearts.
And at the same time, I can look for you. Ooh, it's a cave. Let's see what's in the cave. Alright, yeah. Got all things. Now I'm lost in a cave. What's that? What's that?
Break it. I think it was just a berry. Oh, it's a mushroom.
Nice. It's so dark, I can't even see. Wait, I can barely see. What was that? What was that?
Bro, can you please chill?
Something. Oh, it's a bat.
Finally, I can make a bed now.
Well, okay, sleep. Come on, sleep. I wanna sleep.
I don't think it'll work if you're not here.
Oh, it's almost day. It's almost day. Come on. It's daytime. Come on.
Look, it's a little pony. Oh, look, I found an apple.
How do I get out? I can't even.
Oh yeah, I don't think you can die because it's peaceful.
Yeah, I know. And I can't even die from running. And I can't even die from drowning.
Just hold on. I'm gonna get a map soon. Then I will do it for you. What was I supposed to do now? Right. I think I was supposed to go mine. Or actually, where's the side of my house that had a thing?
There. I can see.
Which should be the entrance? How about this one?
If I don't get out before like day actually starts and then it's night again, I lost.
How do you make doors again? A door.
I'm pretty sure
How
if
do
you make a
you
door,
make
nothing can.
doors? Let's look up. Door. Huh? Okay. Oh yes, I need this. There we go. A door. Now we have a door.
Oh, it's raining. It's raining.
I don't know why I have 3 doors. I just wanted 1. Boom. Door. Let's actually make double doors.
Come on. This is
And also a back door.
so bad. What is this?
How? Like how? How is that even physically possible? Oh, it didn't work. How do you do the double door thing right? Do you have to like do it reverse? Do you have to do it like this? You have to do it like this or something? No, not like that. That's not right either. It's not clean. Can't be bothered. You know what? I don't think it matters. Or maybe if I... You know what? I can't be bothered with that. Alright.
Yes. Let's go. 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 Let's go.
Alright, I'm going mining. No, actually, let me fix the house. I'll put it back on normal after we're done with the house.
And after I find you and I
Yeah.
get in the house, otherwise I'll just die. And you know that's happening, right?
You gotta have like an underground also type house. Actually, I'll put like our entrance to the mine. I'll connect that entrance to maybe over here. Yeah, I'll connect it. Hopefully we won't get attacked while we sleep. I'm feeling very hopeful.
How do I get out of here? I don't even know how to get out of here. What is this place even? What even is this place?
I don't even know what I'm doing with this house, to be honest.
Can I log
Like maybe
off
this
and
could
log
be,
back on?
maybe this could be the bathroom. I mean, where we sleep or something. where's the mine shaft? Where did our mine go? Alright, it's over here.
Go, sweet lamb. Okay, I finally have my lamb.
I probably shouldn't dig straight down, so I'm gonna... Okay, maybe it's like a tad bit. Then I think that's good.
Do you know how close I was? I was legit so close. Seriously, what is this?
And then once I make a bucket, we can have like a trash thing. We just throw away trash.
I don't even know what I'm doing. Okay, I can try.
Let's see where I am right now. Okay, I was close. I'm close. And I finally did this. Alright.
Okay, now where are you?
Yeah, fam, I don't even know which side of the world you are. Finally, some coal. Coal is very important.
There's a cow up there. Come on, isn't there like a wolf? Like a wolf? I see a pig there. Is there anything that... Is there like a wolf? Seriously, there are no drowners.
Alright, so let me... They're called drowned, not drowners.
Ah, no, I wanna go. These ones. Wait, I need to close this.
Alright, thank you.
Huh? Huh? It was Emily.
No.
Alright, so I think I'm gonna build like a door because I don't want no mobs getting inside my house. So I'm gonna do it like this, then I'm gonna put a door here. So I think that's gonna be good. I should probably put, yeah, I'm gonna put some torches there too so that they don't spawn. And there's a pig in my house. You're dead. Alright. Smithing table. Nice. Never heard of that before. Wait. I only have this much cobblestone? Right, let's change that. I should also probably build a shovel. Okay. Okay. Let's make some torches. Cause we're gonna need some of the other we're gonna need some of the other wool. I mean, some of the other coal to fuel. Huh? Yeah, just yeah, for food, of course. Once I put it back on. You need a saddle. So yeah, you can't do it right now. You know what? I'm happy with our base. Once, you know, I get myself situated, I'm gonna make it like just one color. Sean, what do you think of our base? Huh, campfire. Yo. You can't drown, okay? Oh, cool. Yeah, so you just put the food down here and then it cooks. Wait, oh, it was you were about to die. Looks like I can't take it yet. Alright, so then I'm gonna put, okay, so that's the thing. Okay, so then I'm just gonna put like the furnace. I'm gonna put it right here. Where's the furnace? Didn't I build a furnace? I guess I didn't.
What? I'm getting more health? What is this? What is this? This ain't right. This isn't right. Wait a minute. If I
Oh, so it just pops off. Oh, that's nice. That's pretty neat.
Can you please give me a map? I just realized if I kill myself, I'll lose all the important things that I got.
You just realized this.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
I'm probably only gonna use the the furnace for
and I'm stuck in a cave again. Wow. And I don't even have a torch. What is this?
I need a shovel. Why do I have bowls? Do I just put them yet? I don't know. I have a chest, right? I should have a chest in my inventory. Okay, I guess I don't have a chest.
No, I'll drop the mushroom. I don't even need mushroom.
Okay, so I'm gonna, let's see if I put a bed down, can I go to sleep?
Come on, just sleep. Come on, be day.
Open chat. Could I teleport him?
Wow, that's... Oh, wait, what?
I have so much dirt. Like, I don't even know what to do with it.
Come on, make the tallest tower you
Okay,
can
fine.
make so that I can see you. Wait, for now, I'm trying to get out of here. I'm trying to get out of here. I'm trying to get out of here. I should be able to sleep soon, but wait. Bruh, how do I get out of this place?
No, it wasn't.
Wait, what? How do you
Oh, okay, at least I spawned here. Cause like, I can't build, you can't build while you're falling?
Yeah.
I was trying to do like that Fortnite thing where you build while you're falling, but I guess it doesn't work here. The physics don't apply. I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing, honestly. Okay, I'll just like destroy all this. And it broke. This is depressing. We spent 1 hour and we still don't have iron. I've been live streaming for like an hour now. And a stone shovel. I hate stick drift so much. Hey Sean, do you have to be like at a certain Y until you can find iron? Like a certain depth? Yes, finally. Found iron. Oh, let's go. Okay, that's a good amount of iron. Oh, yes. Your boy has found some iron. Okay. When I build a door, then I'm gonna put peaceful mode off. Alright?
No, wait, when I get back to you, okay? Cause
You're not getting back to me.
no, remember about the tall thing that I told you to build?
So you're trying to build a tall thing also?
No, I'm trying to look for the tall thing that you built.
Yeah, I'm saying you're trying to build a tall thing so that you can see my tall thing.
Oh, that is a good idea. But no. Okay, I'll do it. I'll actually do it. I wasn't thinking of that, but it actually is kind of smart. What is this? Is it like tree? Is it tree? What is this? What is tree? It's
Okay. Um.
come on, seriously?
Alright, I'm gonna just go into creative mode for just 1 second.
No! 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 Adi, can I please come with you to creative mode?
You're already in creative mode. So just fly.
Yay!
Do you see it? I think you
Oh,
see it. Yeah.
look how far I am.
Yeah, you're pretty far.
Let me. Wait, don't destroy the thing. How do you get TNT?
You have to get gunpowder. Don't worry about it. We're not. No, I'm not telling you. I'm just gonna. Should I? Sean, should I? Should I do it? Should I get diamond stuff?
I can remove this mod now. You cannot remove this mod. Wait, nah,
Yeah, I'm gonna do it. Nah, I'm gonna just give us. I'm gonna give us netherite. Yes, alright. I'm doing it then.
Adi, can you remove creative?
Wait, hold on. Just fall.
No.
Get down. If I switch it off while you're up there, you're going to die.
Up here?
Yes.
Wait, but then I'll just be bringing it down.
No, can you just get down? Alright, I'm doing it. Nether. Right.
Okay, wait. I need to break all this stuff down. Watch out, it's raining good stuff.
Wait, David. Don't come close yet.
Wait, what? No way! You have your own wolf friend.
No, I don't.
Can I kill him?
No.
Well, he won't get mad. He's just a babe.
If there are any nearby, they'll just come and start wrecking you.
Okay, they're not any nearby. Yeah, they're not any.
Stop.
Yeah, they're not any.
I will kill you if you do it.
If I kill it,
Yes. Where is the other armor that I put down? I put down some other armor.
I don't know.
What are you doing?
I'm being dumb. I'm trying to trap it. Wait, I'm not trying to kill it. I'm not trying
Yeah,
to kill
you
it.
better not be. Here you go. This is for you. And this. Put it on. Put it on. Oh yeah, or you could just do that, I guess. Hold on, I need to go back. I'm going to build, like, this is a trash thing, alright? So you just throw your garbage there. Whatever you don't want, you just throw it in there. So I'm gonna put a bucket of lava here. Can you stop? No. What's wrong with you? Oh no. Oh no. Can you stop? Stop. Don't worry about it. I got it. Can you move? I'm trying to fix this so that our whole house doesn't burn down. Alright, so I need to make this surrounding area. What's burning now? Okay, I need to make this whole oh. You know what? Let's just no. Okay. Oh, I guess crying obsidian can't make nether portals.
Where did your house go?
I'm making this into my house now.
Oh, okay, that's strong. Why can't?
Where did my doors go? Even if it wasn't peaceful, you're in creative, so they can't even hurt you.
No.
I'm in creative mode. I can get anything I want. Does it look cool?
Yeah, that means when you get, wait, does it mean when you get back on the other mode, does it mean you'll still have that?
Yes, I'll still have.
Oh, that's it's so. What? You just have it. So that means I have to do this. Yeah, this is like a good place. When it's nighttime and it's
Please.
cool.
Okay.
Yeah, I could also use this, I could also use this as like now when it's nighttime and I can destroy everything. Wow, this is a nice house. Look how big it is. Bruh.
So right now I'm trying to.
This just yeah, I'm stuck. Ooh, you could add traps. Nice.
No, it's not a trap. It's a trap door.
What's a trap door?
Watch.
I thought you were supposed
Oops.
to go through your traps.
This is a trap door. What? Why did you break it?
I didn't break it.
Did you?
No, I found it like this. I thought you were supposed to go down.
No, yeah, I made that, but why did you break it?
I didn't break anything. I never built anything. Wait a minute. Just come through here. I don't think they would want to do that. I need to like let's go. I guess you're not wondering how I came. Oh, so you can't go. Guess where I am? I'm coming. Wait, I'm coming.
Why did you do that?
How? How did I do that? That's the question. And why can't I be a red one like you? A red person like you? Or can't I at least just keep them? What's this supposed to be? Oh, this is like crouch. Jeffrey! Yes, Daddy. Oh wait, actually, yeah, I'm gonna connect my house to your house.
Why are you doing this?
Wait, I want to connect my house to your house. Oh wow. What? What? Oh, why? Now we have like two things.
That's nice, right? That looks nice.
Now my house is connected to yours, but I can I'm so sorry. I didn't.
Why are you doing this in my house? What are you doing to my house? No, it's fine. I'll fix it. Just leave it. Just stop. Just stop. Can you please don't do anything to my house? Now my house looks scuffed because of you. What time did Rumbi say wake it up? Wake it up.
Ruby, wake up, wake up. It's 5:37.
Are you sure she said 5:30?
Yes, she said 5:30.
Okay.
I'm gonna work with my car. It's my car house. This is my hardcore village. It's called the village.
It's parkour, not hardcore.
Also, I will protect this.
Why is this here? Okay. I don't know why you were digging underneath my house.
I was trying. Do you think this is a good idea? See? Do you think that's a good idea? See? Look,
What?
look what I did. That's a good idea.
I don't even know what you're doing. parkour.
What is a cow doing on my work? Just get a chew. Let me try to get to the farthest place I can. What is this place? Look at all those trees. I don't even know how far.
Alright, let's see how this beacon works.
Okay, I'm gonna go back to you, okay? I don't even know how far. What? It's nighttime? It's not nighttime.
Where does it say it's nighttime?
You see, it's night. It's dark. It's night. I think it's because you and me are. Because I thought you and me What is this?
How does it need to be built? So like this.
Oh, is that my house?
No, this is not a house. Don't mess with this. I'm building a beacon thing. Don't go inside.
Well, I guess I could use it for a house.
No, you don't.
Why?
Look, you'll see what I'm gonna do.
Oh, can I help you?
No, I'm fine. I'm not being selfish. I'm just saying I'm okay. I don't need help.
Guess I'll just run around. Aha, there's the way. Let me use gray wool. Look what I found.
Why? What's your problem? Why won't you just leave the poor wolf alone?
No, look what I found. Look what I found. What is that? What is that?
It's just iron.
Let's go. I found iron.
It doesn't matter. We're in creative now.
Alright, yeah.
You can just have anything we want.
What? It was about to be night, but then it just changed to day. I get what you're doing. It'll take long. Can you like crouch? Can you crouch? Can't. Okay, so if I go here, then I go here, then I go here. Oh, what? No, I don't want to do that.
I messed up somewhere.
I don't think you're actually doing the right thing.
No, wait.
What? No one looks at it, man.
I know, I'm trying to fix.
But what exactly will happen when you're done?
It'll give us powers. You'll see.
Bruh.
It'll give us like speed or strength.
It's good. Now I'm just gonna go as high as I can until I die. Hopefully I'll stop.
You can't die when you're in creative.
Oh yeah. So I'll just go as high as I can. I'm just screwed. Little poor flower. Okay, how high? I'm going to need space. I'm a go to the world. I'm gonna check Godzilla. I'm not even close to
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold on.
I'm so high, I can't even see clouds or try to go as high as I can until it's day. When it's daytime, then I'll come back. Or
Oops. Nope. Nope. No. 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 No.
luckily you can't die. Right?
Yeah.
Otherwise, they're dead.
Dude, what are you even doing? I'm trying to count how many of these there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That looks like 5, so. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
When will
2,
it be
3,
day?
4, 5.
When will it be day?
2, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Okay, then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No, I'm not getting back down. I don't think I can make it to the moon ever.
Yeah, there's height limit.
Huh?
There is height limit. You can't just keep on going up forever.
This is gonna take a long time to get down. Why is it 500? Yeah, I'm not gonna make it. Yeah, bye.
One.
Wait, I think I'm getting a little too slow.
So then how does this one have 7?
Oh, let's go. On the moon. The moon is seriously better than if I keep on going. I can literally go to the moon. Let's go, it's almost day. Okay, so I should keep on going. I'm just gonna wait, try to see if you can see me and it's not enough. Sun's right there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I don't even think you can see me at the sky.
5, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 2.
'Cause I think I went to my space. Oh yeah, look. Yay! Let's go. Let's go.
4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right. Yes, it worked.
Wait, let me block the water so nothing from the water can cross.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait, hold on. Oh, I think also you need to tame it. So maybe that's why I wouldn't let you, because I think you have to like feed it. I don't think so. If it does, I don't think it should. Alright. Now that I'm done with the beacon, now I have to enchant all our weapons. Can you please get rid of this? You know what? I'll just get rid of it myself. I know exactly what will make it light on fire. There you go.
What is wrong with this board? Oh, it's the door.
Did you break? Where did you break?
I came from underneath here.
Did you break the door? What? Oh, I think I did this.
I'm trapped. How do I get out? So the only way I can get out is ooh, what's this?
What are you doing?
How do you go in the search thing? You can literally legit search for anything.
Yeah,
I have a crazy idea.
anything that's in the game. Yeah, you can search for it.
Even a wolf?
Mm-hmm.
Let's go.
Okay, I'm still gonna be on creative, but now I'm putting it on normal. So now I'm going to make a grinder.
So now there will be monsters.
Yes.
Okay, good. And there will be wolves. And I can feed them. And I can attack them. This is gonna be okay. Okay, I'm just gonna be clapping. I'm going to be clapping cakes. I'm gonna be clapping. Watch, I'ma hit a wolf. I'ma hit a wolf, then fly, and then it will be like, ah. Come on, I don't even see a single enemy. Are you sure there's still gonna be enemies? I can't even find a wolf. Can't even find a wolf. Oh look, it's a village. Nice.
Actually, if I clear everything out, yeah, I can make this into like sort of a base.
Yay, see, thank you. Oh, this is a signal. Now whenever I get lost,
Yeah, that's also what it's for. So if I look
why
up,
did it stop?
I guess it has a certain range.
To see, to skip. I like how this thing did you do this? And oh can I break this or is it for light? What is that?
I think it was a drowned.
No, and I'm thinking since I won't be able to, why is it attacking me? It's not attacking. Why does it seem to be attacking me?
Because you are in creative mode.
It doesn't attack me.
No, it doesn't. You can just get more. What are you doing, dude?
I'm trying to get stuff.
What do you want?
The sword. Aha! Sword. Golden sword. Diamond sword. I'm gonna choose gold sword.
Gold swords aren't even good. Okay, the reason why I made this is so that I can do. Wait, hold on. Hold on, there's a simple method to do this.
Yeah, how do you search? How do you search for something? Wait, Adi, is the diamond sword good?
It's the second best.
Which one's the first best?
Netherite.
This one? Or this
Mm-mm. Go more. The last sword, that's the best sword.
This one?
No, the last sword on the right. Go left, yeah, that one. Huh? Hold on. I'm still trying to connect these so that this fills with water. Oh, it doesn't look like it's working. Alright. Can you stop? You can't find what? You have to look it up. You have to search it. It is spawn, not spawned. Are you pressing L2? Oh yeah, I know. Yeah, I know what it is. I'll tell you how to fix it later. Just hold on. So what did you spawn? Oh. It's part of the new update. Enderman, you can. It's not gonna attack you. And you know there's a secret way to make Enderman not hurt you. You just don't look them in the eye. Why is it not getting out? Oh, I think that's a glitch. This stick drift is getting way out of control. Hold on, look. See, look. If you hit it, it teleports away. Here you go, dude. I dropped it outside. Oops, I deleted it, I think. Here. I dropped it outside my house. Can you stop spamming those? Look, now they're just teleporting. Oh yeah, also they're afraid of the water, so they don't go in the water. Oh, here you go. What are you doing outside? Like, what's going on outside? Can't be bothered with this. They come back. David, they're making the game lag. Can you kill them or something? No, don't. It's gonna like blow up everything. No, don't. I told you not to. No, I'm not giving you any TNT. I don't trust you. Look, I gave you some eggs and then this is what you do. What more if I give you... Look, what is this? Now I'm gonna have to kill them all. No, David. Why are there so many wolves? That's what I don't understand. Okay, you can keep the wolves, but kill everything else. But just leave the Endermen alone, because they'll leave us alone. If we leave them alone, they'll leave us alone. What are you doing? Can you stop? Yes, that's you. What are you looking up? There is no snake. Can you please stop? You man, come here. Go back inside. Why are you running outside? Are you hungry? Pinda. Pinamba. Do you want bread with brown? You want bread with brown? Okay. Oh, you don't run like that, man. Yes, one of them makes you teleport. This one. If you throw it, you can teleport. So that's pretty nice, actually. No, not that one. I said the other one. That one doesn't make you teleport. That one does something else. I'll tell you later. Yes, that... Yes, no, the other one. Ender Pearl. No, you can just teleport when you throw it. Once it hits the ground, you'll teleport wherever it hits the ground after you throw it. Get down. Okay. Oh, let me make for you. Oh, I think brown is finished. Here you go. Huh? What? Okay. I was going to make something where you can like where you can kill monsters if you want, so that we can get XP. So please stop spawning the monsters, because I know what to do so I can make them. Oh man, that didn't work. Okay, I guess that didn't work. Now how am I supposed to nope, I don't want that. Yes, I'm in my secret base. Don't break that. There's another entrance. Wait, I'm going to make an entrance so that you can come in here if you want to. But for now, just let me finish what I'm doing. Please, that's all I'm asking. To just let me finish. Do you want purple? Okay, dude, can you please go bring jelly? Dude, can you please go bling jelly?
Get me into where you
Huh?
Get me into where you
Okay, but don't destroy it or anything. Where are you? Where did you even go?
I think you're going the wrong way. Yeah, I'm sorry, but jelly is
Why? Oh, oh, why? What happened here? You're messing around my house. Oh, sorry. Actually, I was the one that did that. Never mind. Dude, can you also get a fork?
a fork. You mean a knife?
I mean, yeah, a knife. I mean.
Ow! Ow! I accidentally did this.
How?
I was just doing this, then I caught myself.
No. Don't touch anything. You can just look. And a plate. Did you? I also need a plate. Are you teleporting in here? Dude, can you bring a plate, please? Yeah, I heard it. I was like, what is that? Get out. Just bring a plate, please.
Wait, I'm spreading.
Is it in here? Or is it up? Okay. What? I told you to bring a plate. Cause something is glitching. It's kind of glitching. Alright guys, so I think that's where we're gonna end this live stream. Thank you for watching. Hope you like, share, subscribe, and see you guys next time.